Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the students of 9th grade. Myself Juwaria Sheikh.
Myself Hafsa Adifa.
And today our topic is about electronic industries. Industries is a vast and crucial economic sector that encompasses the design, development, manufacture, assembly and servicing of electronic products. Its functions is to create devices whose primary purpose is to process the information using the principle of electrons and electronic devices.
Key segments. Semiconductor manufacturing. This segment produces integrated circuits, electrical component and chips essential for devices. Industries like automotive, medical and telecom, etc. Products like microprocessor, memory chips and connectivity and sensors that enable to computing and connectivity is the electrical. In nearly all modern electronics, industrial equipment covers manufacturing of robots, automation system and testing equipment. Networking and communication produces communication hardware like smartphones, TVs and home security system. Medical devices produces electromedical equipment used in diagnostic and treatments. Market trends. Globally and in countries like India, the electronic manufacturing is rapidly expanding, focusing on products like mobile phone, IT, hardware, etc. The sector is grown significantly. The sector was grow significantly in coming years, highlighting its strategic importance on the economy.
We understand that electronic industry stands as a cornerstone of to the global innovation, powering advancement in AI, 5G, electrical vehicles and smart devices. With semiconductor revenue expected to reach 717 million in the year 2025 with a percentage of 40. Thank you.